Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dom. I want to thank you for tuning in and watch this quick tip about the SQ series. Let's jump on the tip of the day. On this video I'm going to show you how you patch your left and right back of your desk. First things that you need to do, you need to go on IO, press output, and in here, as you can see, you will have all your aux channel and your main left and right. So what we're gonna do now, in this case on the desk, your last two output, that would be 11 and 12, will be always your left and right. If you're using any matrix, as I always do, as you can see here, I've got left and right, and this is my matrix. So what I do, I patch my left and right to 11 and 12, and sometimes I've got my subs and I patch these on number 10. And these things needs to happen on the back of your desk as well. So as you can see in this picture, you have got all the patch on the back from 1 to 12, and what you need to do, you need to patch your XLR cable out from your left and right in 11 and 12, and my case, or can be your case as well, on number 10 to patch your subs. Just remember that you can use any of these output to patch your output channel. So you can patch also your main left and right on 1 and 2, and your mono channel or your subs on number 3. It's totally free, up to you. I use it this way because it's more easy for me to patch the channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe if you find the video useful. Just remember that these are all tips basic for a new user of SQ series. If you want to see more stuff in depth, I've got quite a lot of stuff on my channel, and I'm recording every day new stuff. So if you are interested, just subscribe to the channel so you will be updated with all my new videos. Thank you.